Hello friends, welcome to Arshit Traders, and today we are going to see Nifty analysis. So friends, one thing, like, we are going for the last week of this month, and we are going to see a small pullback in the Nifty. So why? Because if you observe one thing majorly, so government given price cut on cooking oils. So previously government taken so many measures like controlling petrol and controlling like steel prices. That means by banning exports of steel, government taken measures to control prices in steel also. So with that, what happens means the steel prices will control, and government taken like a petrol price cuts by 10 rupees from all over the country. So every state also, so few states also given like 2 to 3 rupees reduction in their tax also, which is good thing for consumers. And next one, going forward, we seen like a little positive thing is all asset classes are seen bottom, like bank nifty and nifty. Next thing, bitcoin. So yesterday Bitcoin tested 17,500 and retraced little. So you can take all these bottoms as a stop loss. That means, so if you enter market here or average here, so next little things going to see which are positive things are CPI inflation is going to control in coming months. So present actions are doing by the government side, from the government side. So it has some, it can take some time to show in numbers. So why markets are falling? So central bank, like in US, CPI inflation is very very high, so they are increasing rate hikes. In India, CPI inflation is very very high, so RBI rising hikes, and so on. So when CPI inflation controls, automatically markets consider it as positive. But what unleashed, or what are the big players will do whenever they thought that they are getting signs, indications. So what are the indications means? These are the indications. So how we calculate CPI inflation is like consumers capability. So consumer what I mean, the person's capability to consume or to keep his money to buy a product. So if the product will be very high, still he is buying, it indicates that inflation is very very high. But when products are coming down, product prices are coming down, and money from his pocket also is very very less. So when this, what happens means, CPI inflation will come down in coming quarters. So that is going to be in next few quarters, the things which I already mentioned. And crude oil prices also coming down. So if government want to decrease still further, they can do that. Why? Because crude oil prices also cooling down, right? So they can do, but still to run economy, so as a developing country India, so government will not take that day step to further cut in their tax. So what I mean to say is, CPI inflation is the most popular measure, and it reports and survey methodologies. So if you see here meaning, so which measures the percentage change in the price of basket of goods and services consumed by households. That means we actual money keeping to buy certain things. So on an overall area, sector wise they will take, and they will average that sector wise. So if you see now, steel price came down, petrol prices came down, and cement prices came down. So that is one infrastructure. So FMCG sector, so edible oil prices come down. So we can consider major things will depend on edible oil on FMCG, and crude oil is coming down. So some of the FMCGs has raw material as crude prices. So that is also one of the major ingredients. So that crude prices coming down, it is a very very positive for this few segment in FMCG and paint business. So crude prices, crude oil coming down, so paints have benefit. So as their raw material cost will decrease, another sector covered. So like this, every sector has some inflation, and that is going to cool down from next month, not this month, June, next July. That means June, okay. So July, when July CPI inflation will come on August, you are going to see a dip in month on month CPI inflation. But friends, you listen carefully. Investors won't wait for until that level. So we have to think like a high end mutual fund manager. So if you are thinking like a high end mutual fund manager, then only you are going to be profitable in your portfolio managing or in anything. So see my videos and how I analyze the same thing, you can go through in multiple cycles, you are going to be benefited. So in a peak bull run, I given a sell button, sell call. So for everyone in my telegram group, and for my friends also, I said it's a sell call. So just sell it away all our stocks, and we are going to buy. So from your sell, you are going to start buying from 30%. Yes, still they are in loss, but they saved the 30%. So that's what I mean to say. So no one predict where is bottom. That's why I mentioned after 30% fall, 6% average. So that is the one model where I follow. And friends, so this is the group like a discussion which I am want to give for you. So own analysis is very very important. So this is the major things I told you to look after. So if their prices will still further rising, then it is negative for the market. So then we go for short side like that. So if you observe here, another important thing, whenever ADX red strength line crosses this 41 on a daily time frame, it indicates a what you call gap. That means this is bottom out. So when you see this continuous fall, here you observed a bottom out. So see here, so this is markets peaked out. So at that time continuous it fell out and it reached 40, and after that a green candle and reversal. So next after continuous fall it reached 40 and little pullback, and again continuous fall it reached 40 level, and a green candle found and continuous up movement. So whenever this one also, so moving like 35 to 40 above means we can expect one reversal. So see here, so it came near to the this 40 level and it's showing some reversal. So this is how we think that until and unless it crosses nifty 15,400 above, I am expecting that we are in a bear market. Yes friends, so I will clearly explain that one also. So if you keep this as a monthly, so here the ADX green candle, so green strength line which indicates strength. So the strength of bulls will be very very weak if it goes below 25. So this is my analysis over the last few years. I done a back testing. If you observe here, like 2014, so from here 2014 to 2017, it's a bull run. So until this bull run, you've seen this green strength line above this. But after 2015 here, if you see 15, so the markets are falling and falling, but this level, so at 2016, so it went below. So this is a bear market. So monthly if you see here, from here if it comes here, so 1 month, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21. So until 21 months, that means nearly it's 2 years. So 2 years it went in a bear market. That means on a monthly time frames, if this ADX line below 25, it means it's bear market. So friends, this is how I analyze things, and I am telling you the genuine things which I am learning. So friends, please share our channel to your friends and family members. I done very few videos, but which are very 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 important and very accurate things. So if you see my main important videos also, where I given buys, where I given sell calls, and where the support levels, where I'm mentioning how they are working and everything, you are going to see them. So friends, I think you all like my videos, and tomorrow we can expect like a sideway movement. If market moves above 15,400 and sustains 15 minutes, we can expect it as a long. And so when if it comes below, so we can take consider this level 250 level as a, good support and sideways movement in between. So don't expect a drop down below levels, this level 15 to 50. If it falls again to 15 to 50, we can consider it as a short. So thank you friends, thank you very much.